Mutongoria wa bururi Dagitari William RUTO ni atongoririe bururi hari kugira uhoro uria urari munene wa mbiraru cia bururi General Francis Ogolla uria urakuire mutino-ini wa ndege kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet kuria arari icera ria KWERUHIA hamwe na maabitha angi kenda a mbiraru. Na hari ndumiriri yake president ni ahiukire kuhinyiriria mubango wa thirikari kweruhia macini na indo ciothe cia mbara cia mbiraru cia Kenya itemi-ini ria kumahotithia kuruta wira wao wa kurangira bururi matari na wagagu wothe wari kurumirira wagagu wigi wagiriru wa ndege cia mbiraru bururi-ini thutha wa gukorwo ikuruhanitio mitino-ini itiganite ica-ini ikuhi.
To our military officers, men and women in uniform, like the way we are doing with the police, we now have a clear plan on how to modernize the equipment that is being used by our military so that they can be safer and they can discharge the responsibility of securing our country better.
General Francis Ogolla athiete guthurima waki wa thukuru iria ikoretwo igiakwo ni maabitha mbiraru kaunti-ini cia Rift Valley thutha wa gukorwo ithukangitio ni itoi. Ni agwetirwo ta mundu ureheanite hari utungata wake kuri bururi niguo gutigirira thayu ni wathingatithio icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi. President akihinyiriria mbara ya itoi no eguthie na mbere hiri ta njira ya kuhingia kioneki giake. General Ogolla:
It is tragic that he died while trying to settle challenges caused by our very people here in Kenya. And I think his death should strengthen the resolve of our forces and our security agencies to wipe out the banditry menace in this country once and for all. That would be a great honor to this hero.
This is also time to take a look at our equipment and our military, because you have seen a number of these accidents over the last 5 to 10 years. There's been so many of these crashes. We want to put this to an end so that we can save lives of our people.
The Kenya Defense Forces remains strong despite the loss. We are continuing with our duties of securing our country just like the general would have wanted us.
Mutongoria wa bururi na kuri uguo ni aririkanire miario magire na General Ogolla mbere ya kinyanirie itua ria kumwamura ta munene wa mbiraru cia bururi kurumirira uria kuruhanitio na mubango wa kugeria kugarura maumirira ma githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2022. Undu uria ugite agutura akenagira itua ria kumwamura kuona niwe wari mwagiriru muno kuiyukia giturwa kiu.
As is tradition, every day, without a doubt, whether I am in country or out of the country, it is necessary, it is the case that I have to get a report from CDF. And so it happened every day.
As we lay Ogolla tomorrow to rest, I want us to remove the stigma, Your Excellency, because I knew this man very well. General Ogolla would never have contemplated or thought about going to Bomas of Kenya to force Mr. Chebukati.
Gikuo kia General Francis Ogolla gitigite bururi na kimako kinene kuona noe wa mbere gukua giti-ini kia munene wa mbiraru cia bururi. President akiranira unyitaniri wake na wa thirikari kuri family iria atigite na thutha ari mutumia wake na ciana igire na thutha wa mathiko make muthenya wa rucio. Guku mutongoria wa bururi atongoretie bururi hari mitha ya kugira uhoro uria urari munene wa mbiraru cia bururi General Francis Ogolla wa kwiyumiria ni murugamo wa mbiraru cia bururi na president makihita guthie na mbere na mbara ya kung'ethanira na itoi cia wikinae guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi ari ta njira ya kuhe gitio kia muthia General Francis Ogolla. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.